In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Anytype as your personal encrypted password manager. This is a quick and practical setup that helps you keep your login details organized in one private place while taking advantage of Anytype's end-to-end encrypted environment. The goal here is to create a simple system that is easy to maintain and secure enough for everyday use. To begin, open Anytype and create a dedicated space called Passwords. This is an important first step because it keeps your credentials separate from your regular notes, tasks, or personal documents. Having a dedicated space makes everything cleaner, easier to manage, and less likely to get mixed in with unrelated information. Once that space is ready, click the Space menu, go to Object Types, and create a new custom type called Login. Think of this as building the structure for every password entry you'll save in the future. Instead of creating random notes for each account, you're creating a consistent format that makes your vault much easier to search and use. Next, add the key relations to your new login type. Include website URL, username, password, and category. These relations act like smart fields that help you store each piece of information in a clear and organized way. For example, category can help you group accounts like banking, social media, work, or shopping, which becomes very useful as your list grows. After that, design a clean template for your login type. This means every time you create a new login entry, the fields you need will already be in place and ready to fill out. A good template saves time and also reduces mistakes because you're following the same structure for every account. Keep the layout simple so it's easy to read quickly whenever you need to retrieve a credential. Now start creating new login objects and fill in your account details. As you do this, you're building your own secure password vault inside Anytype. Take your time and enter information carefully so each record is accurate and complete. Consistency here will make the system much more reliable over time. Finally, open the settings menu and enable app lock using a strong passcode or biometrics. This adds an extra layer of protection whenever you step away from your device. Even though your data is encrypted, locking the app helps prevent unauthorized access in day-to-day situations. Once that's done, you'll have a private, end-to-end encrypted password system right inside Anytype, giving you a secure and organized way to manage your credentials.